Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your profile in Waze. So setting up your Waze profile lets you personalize your account and manage your Waze identity. So actually guys, first you will need to open Waze, launch the Waze app on your phone and make sure you are signed in, and then open your profile. So you'll need to tap the menu icon or the three lines that's located at the top left corner right here, and then just go with the settings. Okay, so it's the third option. Scroll to the account section and go with account and login. It's the first option in it. So here guys, you will need to add or change your profile picture, so you'll need to tap here, okay, on that pen and choose a profile image or avatar that represents you. Also guys, you can change your name inside account details, and you can change or edit your Gmail. You can change the username and even the password, as you can see below. And then just review your account information. So check the account settings to make sure your email or other login information is correct. You can as well adjust the privacy settings. So review the Waze's privacy options and choose what information you want to share with other users. Then just save the changes. So of course the changes will be saved automatically, or follow any on-screen instructions to save your updated profile. So keep your profile information minimal if you prefer greater privacy. So your Waze profile is primarily used to identify your activity within the Waze community, so you don't need to add personal information that isn't necessary. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.